Let me introduce this upright glass door display freezer. It can be double door, 3 doors, triple doors, and 4 doors. The glass door is triple glazed anti-fog with heater, with aluminum alloy door frame. The door is with position, and the plastic door frame is with heater, and door frame with vertical LED lighting. The shelf is adjustable with 4. The shelf can be wide shelf or solid panel shelf. With EBM, evaporator fan motor, cup pipe, evaporator, electrical heater for defrosting, and the carrier thermostat. Lower ultra-low front and plastic bumper.